Here we come to the D elevator at the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia. It's our OTIS with EPCO. Excuse me, PTL. Here it is.
Go down to the first floor.
One.
First floor, that's right.
Door close works. Here we go. Ooh, it's fast. 2.
We get that. We're just going for a ride. Go ahead, kiddo.
Door close button works.
Oh.
Dad! I saw people who, I saw a video where a guy dropped his car keys and they were literally right there. It was a video of a
What does this
guy.
button do?
Whoa!
Dad. I watched the video and this guy.
Very nice.
He was like.
Beautiful elevator.
He was laughing and he dropped his car keys and it was right across that little hole. And
Cool
then he was
lantern.
like- and then he was
Very
like,
cool lantern.
"Whoa, just great." And then he went to grab it and fell down.
Here we go. And we'll watch the indicator.